Okay, let's go and swim. Hi guys, it's a sea rose. It has a white and yellow color flowers. So beautiful. Wait, I want to use a chair. 1 minute.
Floating ring.
This here. The water is. I must make this longer. Yes.
You will add another wood.
I fix it on this place.
Yeah, you will extend.
Yes, and then one or 1.5 meter more.
Okay. Welcome back to my channel, Let TV. And today is June 21. Today is my sister's birthday. June 21 is the longest day in Sweden. So I think it's a holiday. All people are celebrating today because of this day. The longest day in Sweden is June 21. So it's holiday. So lahat nagpa-party or nag-adventure sila. Ayaw nila matulog kasi yun nga ang araw is mahaba. So kami din, we are here in Lit Waterfront. We will stay here like 2 to 3 days. So me and my love Thomas and mom will sleep tonight, and maybe after tomorrow we'll go back to our home. So tonight we will have a campfire and matagal din kami matulog. The secret of a long life is to make exercise every day para healthy. So ngayon, nandun lang si mom, malapit lang sa akin. So mag-exercise muna ako para may power, energetic. Yan yung sikreto para kaya hindi daw madaling matanda. Secret is to be healthy and make exercise every day. So mag-jog ako dito, ang ganda up there, and a little bit exercise to the hips. Talaga siya mag sa work ng wood. The secret of long life is to make exercise every day for healthy. So guys, I'm done with a little exercise. Pangpaliit ng kettlebell. At least na-enjoy ko yung moment.